Hi all. So today let us discuss about production planning and control. It is known as PPC, production planning and control. It is a process of organizing the manufacturing process. In the context of production, it is organizing the process of manufacturing, and it consists of planning, routing, scheduling, dispatching, inspecting, coordinating the material part, all the methods, machines, and you need to have a control over the operations duration. And the ultimate objective is to have an organized way of doing things in order to achieve objectives of the production system. Going to specifics, the production planning objectives are to determine the requirements of men, materials and equipment in terms of the quantity, production of various inputs at the right time in right quantity. So this is usually fulfilled by the purchase department. Making most economical use of various inputs, so financial efficiency need to be ensured. Arranging schedules so that the marketing department's needs are met, and providing for adequate stocks for meeting contingencies. So this is where stores department comes into action. Keeping up to date information process. The entire materials requirement planning system helps the manufacturing process to achieve this particular objective. The production control objectives are making efforts to adhere to the production schedules. So the schedules that is already prepared need to be adhered to. Issuing necessary instructions to the staff for making plans realistic. So once the plan is defined, the plan need to be communicated to the staff so that it is properly executed. To ensure that goods are produced according to the prescribed standards and quality norms, so usually which is defined during the planning stage. To ensure that various inputs are made available in the right quantity and at proper time. So a monitoring of this particular function is happening here. To ensure that work progresses according to the pre-decided plans. So plan is used to monitor the progress of the work. So plan acts as a measuring tool in order to achieve the production control objective. Now let us look the various stages involved in the production planning and control process. These are the major stages involved in production planning and control process. So it starts from routing, estimating, scheduling, loading, dispatching, expediting, evaluating and inventory control. And if you look at the first few parts, it is the planning part of production planning and control, and these three functions contribute to the controlling part of production planning and control. So what is routing? Deciding the flow of raw materials inside a manufacturing facility is termed as routing. Estimating refers to defining the quantities of resources required before execution of that process. So it is a forecasting process. Scheduling refers to time sequencing the work involved. Loading refers to assigning the work into a machine as well as a human resource. Dispatching refers to releasing of the work to that particular work facility. Expediting refers to follow up of the progress of the work according to the plan. Evaluating refers to inspection of the work according to the predefined qualities as well as the inspection of the quality of output that is produced at each stage of the work. Inventory control refers to the managing and arrangement of materials for fulfilling the production process. So these are the major steps involved in production planning and control. Thank you.